Magandang buhay, everyone! I'm your math teacher today, Miss Christie and Juliet Mallo from Las Pinas National High School. So right now, I'll be teaching you some techniques na pwede natin gamitin in able to find the arithmetic series of a sequence. I hope you will enjoy and be with me. Okay? Gina ba kayo? Gina. So today we will be discussing determining the sum of the arithmetic sequence.
Right now, since we all know that the formula in getting the arithmetic series is S sub n is equal to n divided by 2 multiplied to the sum of the first term and the last. So right now, mas ila-level up natin ng konti yung ating mga gagawin. The sum of 18 of the sequence 18 plus 22 plus 26 plus a sub 20. Paano kung bibigyan tayo dito? Paano? So, let's try to identify first our given. So, we have our first term, which is 18, correct? So, 18. Our n, since our last term is, very good, that is 20. What could be our difference? How do we get the difference again? Very good. We subtract the second term to the first term, wherein you have 22 minus 18, the answer is 4. So this is now our difference. But take note, in our given formula, we should look also for the nth term. But as you can see in our given, there is no nth term. So how do we get now the sum of these 20 terms? So, recalling the formula, in getting the nth term of the arithmetic sequence, we have a sub n is equal now to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. So here, ma'am, bakit ganun? Wala kang n term. We have to recall. We still have to recall the n term of the formula. So using this one, we can substitute this to our formula. Dito. Ma'am, ang haba naman, pero huwag kayong mag-alala. This is the right time for us to derive our formula from our given series. So this what will happen. From our given formula, we have S sub n is equal now to n divided by 2 multiplied to a sub 1. Since we're looking for a sub n, we have to insert this one, this formula. So we will have plus a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. So this is how it goes. Can we simplify, miss? Yes, we can simplify. So what will happen? We can have a sub 1 plus a sub 1. We have 2 a sub 1. So you have 2 a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times b. Therefore, to find the sum of the terms that the last term is not given, we can use this formula. Did you get it? Okay, very good. So since we all know how do we get the nth term or the sum of the terms, let's try to substitute this given to our formula. So let's try to have this one. Getting our solution, sum of the 20 terms is equal now to 20 divided by 2 multiplied to 2 times 18 times 18, which is your a sub 1 plus 20 minus 1 times 4. So, you can simplify this one already. 20 divided by 2 is 10. Multiply 2 times 18 is 36. Plus 20 minus 1 is 19. Times 4, we could have it as 10 multiplied to 36 plus 76. We could have it as 10 multiplied to 112. Therefore, 10 times 112, the answer is 1,120. Therefore, the sum of the 20 terms is 1,120.
O, diba? Sabi ko naman sa inyo, madali lang. For our next example, we have the series 9 plus 5 plus 1 minus 3 minus 7 up to negative 67. So how do we get now the values of these given terms, and how do we look for the sum of these terms? So let's try to identify the following. We have a sub 1, which is 9. We have the a sub n, which is negative 67. We have our difference, 5 minus 9, which is equal to negative 4. And looking at it, we have n. And we're looking for the sum of these terms. Take note of these given values. May a sub 1 ka na, may last term ka na, may difference ka, and wala tayong number of terms. So from this case, we have to still go back to our general rule, which is a sub n is equal now to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Ma'am, bakit hindi kailangan gamitin agad yung sum of the terms? Ang sagot, then we still go back to our general rule, which is a sub n is equal now to a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times d. Substituting the values to our formula, we can have it as negative 67 is equal now to 9 plus n minus 1 times negative 4. So here, simplifying the values, we could have it as 9 plus negative 4n plus 4. So we can combine 9 and 4. We could have it as 13 plus negative 4n. But looking at it, using the addition property of equality, we can add negative 13 in both sides. So we could have it as negative 67 minus 13 is equal now to 13 plus negative 4n minus 13. Cancel this one. We could have it as negative 80 is equal now to negative 4n, the value of our n, which is the number of terms. So can we now proceed to the sum of the terms? Yes. Using our formula, s sub n is equal now to n divided by 2 multiplied to the sum of the first term and the last term. We could have it as sum of the 20 terms is equal now to 20 divided by 2 multiplied to the sum of 9 and negative 67. So here, simplifying, 10 multiplied to negative 58. So we could have it as negative 500. Therefore, this is now our final. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoy our video. And I hope you learn a lot from today's topic. And don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. See you to our next topics. Goodbye!